Hello students, in this video we are going to study about responsibilities of quality assurance department. So you have already seen that quality assurance is a wide-ranging concept covering all the matters that individually or collectively influences the quality of the product. So here we are going to see this responsibility of quality assurance in detail one by one. The first responsibility of quality assurance is for defining quality assurance strategies, approaches, and execution in development projects. Then, the next responsibility is for leading and directing the QA leadership team. Then, provide leadership and technical expertise within test automation and quality assurance. Then be accountable for test automation projects, mentor and provide leadership to the QA automation developers and managers. Then participate in interview, inductions, training and performance evaluation of all QA leads. Then to provide technical leadership and expertise within the field of quality assurance and testing. Then ensuring that the development team adhere to the principal guidelines and best practices of the QA strategy as defined. Then focus on continuous QA improvement, inducing usage of appropriate testing tools, test techniques and test automations. Then building and maintaining of quality standards as well as enforcing technical and testing standards, monitoring of all the QA activities, test results, then lacking defects, root cause analysis and identifying areas of improvement. Also implement steps required to improve the process are all the functions of quality assurance department. Then gathering and presenting testing metrics and testing activities by the projects to key stakeholders. Then next one is ensure the proper usage of available tools to gain the maximum benefit of the QA efforts. This include testing tools for functional performance, automation, etc. Then manage training and conducting continuous learning of QA staff by means of short course, then conferences, meets up, certifications, etc. Then be an escalation point for all matters related to test and quality assurance and operate as a primary point of contact for the QA team. Then direct the development of QA strategy, methodology, discipline and framework. Then also driving and improving the QA team in areas of automated tests and agile testings. Then the next what is the role or the important functions of quality assurance department include provide technical expertise in test automation, then testing methodologies, test processes, tools and techniques across the team, etc. Then work with QA managers, development of managers and the software development director to develop and execute QA strategies to meet and exceed department and corporate quality goals. So these are all the various responsibilities of quality assurance department. Thank you.